Powered by diamonds and refined by science, Black Diamond brings polishing perfection to your concrete and natural stone floors. Developed using our integrated matrix technology to create a superior bond between diamond and base web, Black Diamond performs with maximum efficiency and durability. This cleaning and polishing system excels on both rotary and oscillating machines. Whether used for daily maintenance, deep cleaning and polishing, or hardcore restoration projects, Black Diamond applies the necessary grit for the job. Begin with Black Diamond 400, designed for light honing, heavy-duty cleaning, and removing scratches and stains. Continue removing scratches, deep clean, and prepare the floor for polishing with Black Diamond 800. Reveal the floor's natural luster with Black Diamond 1500, designed for cleaning and light polishing. Finish with Black Diamond 3000 to achieve a high gloss polish. When used for daily maintenance, Black Diamond 3000 keeps floors brilliant and clean. Gloss meter readings show Black Diamond delivers up to 300% increase in gloss. Contact our floor care experts today to begin achieving polishing perfection.